And we want this fundamental change. We want this revolutionary change in all our people, all over the areas that we go to. So we will concentrate. We'll concentrate development resources and put these children in school. They are mustaqbal bita halum. They are mustaqbal bita al-balad. And some of you will be engaged in this revolutionary work to see to it that these schools are built, to see to it that real bita halna fil balad go to school, so that we have a great society. We cannot build a great Sudan without educated people. Lazim nakud yal fil madrasa. They are our future engineers. They are our future doctors. They are our future researchers. And we are going to implement this. If we don't, it will not finish in our lifetime, but our children will take it up, and we will go ahead and become a great power here in Africa. Nana balad kabir.
Its diversity and its and richness is the common heritage of all the Sudanese people.
Listening to Dr. John Garang, the father of the nation, the father of South Sudan, it made my heart cry. His speech.
We have lost a great leader. Dr. John Garang, his legacy will live on. What is happening today in our country, South Sudan, it is very unfortunate. Losing Dr. John Garang was a great loss to the whole South Sudanese. If we still left Dr. John Garang, I believe that nothing harm can come to the South Sudanese people. According to his speech, and what he wanted was development and education for the whole South Sudanese, nothing small.